Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making mango smoothie. Here are all the ingredients. So first of all, we have 1 cup of mangoes. Then we have 2 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. Then we have 1 tablespoon of honey. And then we have 1 cup of milk. Here's all the steps. Of course, for making the mango smoothie, first of all, we need mangoes. Okay, next we need our ice cream. Then we need our honey. And then at last we need our milk. And then we blend. But first we need to put on the lid. Okay, now our blending is done. Now let's pour this delicious looking mango smoothie. Oh, just look at the perfect texture. So now I'll put this in the glass. Now I'm going to decorate it. So first, I'm going to put some mangoes on top. Some mango slices. And then I'm going to put this leaf, this mint leaf, right on top in the middle. Here, it looks really perfect. Now it's tasting time. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Tastes really good. I'm glad we put that ice cream in there, so it's gonna be cold. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Goodbye.